Hey everybody, Dan Andrizzi with the Andrizzi Group, bringing you another off-market opportunity here. You will not see this anywhere else, not on Zillow, not on Redfin, only right here, at least for the next week or two here. So if you're interested, reach out to me. I'll get you some information as soon as it's publicly available. This property is a Charles DuBois mid-century modern here in Woodland Hills, south of the boulevard. We're at the very back of a cul-de-sac. Beautiful roof line on this home, as you can see. This home has been completely gutted and remodeled from the studs up. So come on inside, let me show you around. The materials as we're going through this home are I want you to pay very close attention to those because they're very high end, they're quality materials, not your usual builder grade you see on a lot of these, investor flips. Starting with these nice solid doors. Come on inside and I'll show you around. So as you enter the property, you are first greeted by this huge great room with these dual beam ceiling right here. This is kind of a unique thing. I haven't seen this on too many homes. Recessed lighting throughout the entire ceiling, as you can see. This back half of the house is all glass windows and sliders. These are Milgard windows. It's a nice quality product. Coming into the kitchen area, this is one of the best features of the home in my opinion. The other best feature we'll get to in a moment. But this kitchen, again, completely gutted and remodeled with high-end material. This is Taj Mahal quartzite. It's real stone. We have a Melee stove over here. And I just love how it's situated. You have this huge island looking out to this great room where your guests are, where your pool is, where your backyard is. Keep an eye on the kids while you're making dinner, whatever you need. The garage is right here off the kitchen, epoxy floors. It's a 2-car garage. The developer added a half bath, a powder room, I should say, which is a very important feature to this home. When these are built in the 60s, the bathrooms are all connected to the bedroom. So a little bit awkward for how we live today. So by adding a nice powder room right here for your guests, it just helps it live how we like to live today, a little bit more comfortably. Coming this way to this side of the house, we have 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. Again, everything has been remodeled with nice quality materials from the ground up. Engineered hardwood flooring. These shaker style doors are thick, they're heavy. This is quality material. So this is secondary bedroom number 1, coming through a Jack and Jill bathroom. Again, nice quality material. The shower, the sink, everything is top notch, very elegant. Secondary bedroom number 2. This is our master. We're going to get to that in a moment. This is the 3rd secondary bedroom, currently staged for an office setup. Again, what I love about the master bedroom is the way that this is situated. You're looking out through these new sliding glass doors onto your 3rd-acre lot, grass, your pool area, beautiful view to wake up to. The bathroom has a very unique tub, so make sure you take a quick peek at that. Let me know what you think. I'm curious what you think of the bathtub. So this is the other part of the home that I think is the absolute, one of the best features here. This pool has been recently replastered. Got a nice fountain grotto area. We currently have it turned off because we're still finishing the work on this property. Like I said, it should be ready for market in about a week or 2. Take a look at this view right here, this backyard. The lot goes well beyond the pool, the fountain, the grotto, the pool equipment. So very functional. And this shed right here, it's got windows, it's got a door. We can put a mini split in there for some air conditioning. That's going to be either a she shed, a man cave, we're not sure yet, possibly a workout room. So that's it, 2,163 square feet on a 3rd acre, south of the boulevard in Woodland Hills, Charles DuBois model. So if this is something that interests you, reach out to me and I'll get you the details as soon as we have them available for the public. Have a great day.